Zachary Fruhling, aka Cozy Azeroth here. I am working my way through an old TI Basic programming book, 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A Home Computer by Len Turner. I'm up to program number 92, which is Blackboard. I'm going to read the brief program description, get into TI Basic and the Classic 99 emulator, type the program in, run it, see what we can learn from it, and see what we can make it do. Okay, program number 92, Blackboard. This program appears to draw a blackboard on the screen. You can write messages on it, draw football plays, create art or words, etc. on this electronic chalkboard. Okay, the program is very, very short, only 9 lines it looks like. So let's get into TI Basic. This is the TI-99 4A start screen. Press any key to begin. Press 1 for TI Basic. And let's get typing. So this program doesn't let you do anything with the chalkboard. This literally just draws the chalkboard to the screen. And it's worth saying that all of the programs in this book are not really, they're not really designed to be standalone programs. They're designed to be like, discrete chunks that you could use as part of a larger program. So all this does is draw a Blackboard-like thing to the screen, and then you'd have to write more to the program to make the chalkboard do anything, which would be a fun little exercise. But this literally just draws a chalkboard on the screen, I believe. 20, call CHAR, call character in other words, 128. And it looks like we have, 16 Fs. That's just a solid block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we're defining character number 128 as 16 Fs fills out the entire 8x8 character grid with all the dots or pixels turned on. That's a solid block. That's what's happening there. Okay, 30, call screen at 9. 40 for C equals 10 to 22. 50 for R equals 5 to 19. 60. Call HCHAR. This actually draws the character to the screen. R, C, 128. Row, column, and character number 128. 70, next R. 80, next to C. And 90, go to 90, I believe, just to hold it on the screen. Just an infinite loop until we stop the program. Go to 90. Okay, let's just skim it and make sure it looks good. I don't see any problems at a glance. I just want to check lines 40 and 50. 40 for C equals 10 to 22, looks good. And 50 for R equals 5 to 19, and that looks good. Let's go ahead and run the program. See what we get. Here's our chalkboard coming to the screen. Or Blackboard, I guess. There you go. There's our Blackboard. All it does is draw a square to the screen. I feel like this author got a little bit of mileage out of some very, very, very simple programs. I like this book a lot. I'm not criticizing the author. I hope he does. I hope if the author ever hears this, I hope he doesn't think I'm criticizing him. But this is a very, very simple little program. And I'm not sure I really would have done this with 4next. I might have just done this with call HCHAR a few times and have it print several HCHAR lines across the screen one at a time. Maybe only need one 4next loop if you did it that way. But this is as much this program has as much pedagogical value as practical value, teaching you some ways of nesting 4next loops in this case. In any case, that is program number 92, Blackboard, from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A Home Computer by Len Turner. I'm not going to belabor this one. If you happen to be catching this on my YouTube channel after the fact, Be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under Cozy Azeroth, which is my handle on Twitch, or under my real name, Zachary Fruhling, for lots of TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming, retro computing, lots of World of Warcraft live streaming, and miscellaneous educational videos on a wide variety of topics of interest to me, both professionally and personally. And if you happen to be watching this live on Twitch, same thing. Please check out my YouTube channel for all the above. And if you happen to catch me on Twitch, be sure to say hi while I'm streaming in the chat, or participate as you see fit. In any case, please check me out on the other platform, whichever platform you're on. And I appreciate any likes and follows, and especially subscriptions, which do help me out greatly if you are enjoying this TI-99 4A content I've been cranking out lately. Thank you very much, and I will catch you in the next video with the next program in this book. Thank you very much.